Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off sound effects on Cricket League. So let's get started. First of all, open the Cricket League app on your device. Now tap on the gear button that's on the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the green tick icon just beside the sound effects on the settings. And that's it. This is how you can turn off sound effects on Cricket League. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.